Savage down. Fires him in. Ducks him over. Oh! And a disqualification. Disqualification, 9 minutes of time as the win goes to the Rock and Roll. A disqualification. Look out, Savage is caught as they tried to power drive Robert Gibson on the concrete floor. Now the ball's right out as we back up right on the table. Savage has it on the table. What is he doing? He's trying to power drive him on the table. He's trying to power drive him on our announcer's desk. Oh my God! Oh my gosh, he broke the table. Rick Morton, as we need some help. Savage, come on, Randy. Randy, this is ridiculous. Right on the, ring the bell. Let's get this stopped here.